Hi friends, a very good morning and a happy Republic Day to all of you. Friends, when the Republic Day comes, many of us often get confused. Why do we observe this day? What is the importance of the day? In fact, the Constituent Assembly that was formed to draft a constitution for our country adopted the constitution on 26th November 1949, and it was then decided that this constitution will formally come into existence or come into being or come into effect on 26th January 1950. Why 26th January 1950? Because it was decided that on 26th January 1930, father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi had given the call of Purna Swaraj, a movement against the British to free India. And to observe that very day, it was decided that the constitution will come into existence on 26th January 1950. When originally the constitution was drafted, it had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules or schedules. And today, the constitution has 448 articles in 22 parts and 12 schedules. So this is the size of the constitution now, and as many as 104 amendments have been effected to the constitution. The size of the constitution has increased. By now, you must have some idea about the constitution and about the importance of celebrating the Republic Day. Thank you very much for watching this show. Jai Hind.